Hey folks, we're back. We got a 2012 Hyundai Accent, and she's a looker. One owner, folks. 49,000 original miles, folks. Automatic, cruise control, auxiliary line in, loaded up, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player. Great tires, great brakes, all through the shop. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Guaranteed credit approval. Again, folks, it's got 49,000 miles on it. It's one owner, and it will be eligible for guaranteed credit approval. This is a $595 starting down. Cheapest down we have in the store, folks. Come on out. Take advantage of this deal. Get your 3 months, 4,500 miles covered on your drive line. Get your free Carfax and get to DasCleveland.com.